So experiments have really been part of my education, later on my career, and so I'm a biologist by training, and so um, you know, grad school we do experiments. Later on, I started my career at UCLA and Caltech, running the California Experimental Social Science Laboratories, and there I also do experiments, and so I have always this inkling for running experiments, and even though mainly for research purposes, but I've seen how experiments can be an integral part for teaching and learning. There's an old saying that if you show me, I'll forget. If you tell me, I may remember, but if you involve me, I would understand. And I think that's the fundamental uh, um, um, principle behind experiential learning or experiment-based learning. And when you think, when we're young, when we're toddlers, kids, we play through things. We experiment our, the external world by touching, by smelling, doing stuff. And we don't just sit there and say, tell me, lecture me, and we really experiment things. And it's just simply because how schools, how classrooms are set up, how pedagogy is.